Hey guys, Rich Bassine here, your YouTube vlog and creator. And I just want to start by saying this is the first time at my YouTube channel. I just want to say welcome. And for all those who recently subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you. It is greatly appreciated. If you like the content, you come back for more. And this video is being created with Fomora 13. Now, for those who are new to my YouTube channel, I like to do research. I like to share updated information, news, stories, and give content and share some ideas with content creators out there. And in my searching for YouTube here, as I always do, I came across this article. I think it's from social media, and I'm going to give you the links, so don't worry about it. You're going to have all the links there. It's only a couple pages here, so I hope you guys can stick around. It's good information, and I think you'll get a takeaway from it, because it was driving me crazy, and I'm going to share why it was driving me crazy and how I came about finding it out by contacting quote unquote YouTube, and I found out the right answer. This information came out in 2022. So without further ado, rather than keep talking about it, let's just jump right into it. Let me minimize myself over here. Okay, let's do this over here. All right. So I came across this article. YouTube launches new search insight for all creators. You can see it was published April 13, 2022. And I'm going to drop the link to this below. Okay, so I'm going to, don't worry about it. The information I'm going to share with you guys right now, you will have this information, for you to view at a later time, whenever at your own leisure. Now, with that being said, let's read a little into it, and then we're going to get more into it. I'm not going to keep you guys too long, because I know you're busy doing other things. Anyway, it goes on to say, YouTube has announced that it's rolling out its new search insight feature to all creators, which will provide a range of new data points to help you define your YouTube strategy based on what people are looking for in the app. YouTube initially provided an overview search insights in November of last year, which will include information on what people are searching for in app, both in relation to your channel and content, specifically for more general search queries. Now, as you can see here, they have it like this here. Let's see. Hold on. I got my mouse scroll here. I'm sorry, guys. Just to make sure I got the right thing here. All right. Let me just move this like this here. I'm sorry for the jitteriness here. All right. Anyway, it goes on to say, as you can see here, the search insights will be accessible. Analytics, research. The research button has been renamed, and I'm going to prove that to you. And we're going to get to that in a little bit. Now, rather than going through all of this here, I'm going to drop the link to this so you can read it again at your own leisure. All right. Now, when you click this here, this is an active hyperlink. Okay, right here. I clicked it already, so it's going to bring me over here. This here is Creator Insider. Okay. Now, if you look over here, let me just scroll down. If you look where my mouse cursor, it says it was created 2 years ago. Okay. Now, what this gentleman is going to tell you is how to get to it. Okay. All right, and I don't want to play too much of the clip. Let's just advance a little and show you how you're going to get to it. I'll show you this here. Let's get to this in a second here. Let me get to a point here where he's going to tell you how to get to it. I'll play the last part of it. This way, I don't want to get any community guideline strikes. So let's go to it right over here, and let's play this part.
You're going to need access to YouTube Studio on desktop. You're going to click on Analytics, and then across the top, you'll see a Research tab. Let us know if you...
Okay, Research tab has been changed. Okay, I was going crazy with it. This is my YouTube channel. He's saying you go to YouTube Studio. You go over here to YouTube Studio. Let's click me on here, and it's right over here, YouTube Studio. Click that on. And then he says in there, go to Analytics. You go to Analytics over here. And as you can see, there is no research tab here. Okay, there's no research tab. Even in advanced mode, if you click the pull down arrow, you're not going to see it. It's no longer there. Okay. Here's what they said though. Keep track of what I'm saying over here. Look at my channel analytics up here where my mouse cursor is moving. And this is what happened when I inquired about it. Check it out. This is what popped up. Okay. The research tab is now renamed to the Inspiration tab on YouTube Studio Desktop. Creators can now brainstorm creative ideas and generate video outlines with the help of an AI generated tool it's now available on the inspiration tab. Learn more if you click it on. I can't do it because it's a snapshot, okay? But I reached out to them. I did the help there, and this is the information that pulled out, okay? So now, in order for you to do your research, you're going to click on inspiration. Remember, research is now inspiration. You're going to click it on, and here you're going to see what people are looking for. Your YouTube create advice, YouTube partner program, how to make motivational videos on YouTube, how to edit videos on YouTube 2024. All right, that's all I have for you. I hope that information is helpful, and I don't mind, doing the research and putting it out there to you guys, because that's what my YouTube channel is all about. As you can see here, if we go back to my channel here, this is my banner over here. In case you guys are interested, you want to, subscribe to my channel if it'll ever come up. Where is it there? There it is. Okay. As you can see right over here, this is my channel, my YouTube channel. It's my homepage, YouTube Vlog and Creator, sharing news, stories, and ideas for the content creator. So when the information becomes readily available to me, I will make it readily available to you guys. So I hope you'll, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. And I just want to say this to all the new YouTubers out there who just started a YouTube channel, or if you're thinking about starting a new YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best success. Go out there, make those videos, because people are watching them. And how I know this here, if they're watching mine, they're going to definitely watch yours. Until next time, take care, and bye-bye for now.